Hey guys, Radiant X here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really good dog toy. And here we go, I guess. What you're going to need first is a old sock. It would be really good if you had a crew one, but any is fine. Next, you'll need an empty water bottle. And then the last thing you'll need is like your dog's favorite treat. So to start it, you have to grab your sock, stretch it out, and then get scissors and cut a little bit of it in the middle. So you get that. Next, you get your water bottle and you stick it down the sock. So now you have a kind of this. Next, you grab the treat, and this is only optional, but you can put it in the sock to make it even more interesting. And that's what I'm gonna do. So just stick it down with the water bottle. Doesn't matter where, as long as it's in the sock. So just put it down there. Okay, now that you have your treat and your water bottle down there, you have to cut some more down it. Until it's only a little bit from the water bottle. So now you grab the two pieces, the two halves, and tie a knot with them. And to be safe, I would tie it again. And there you go. You have a dog toy. That's finished. Let's test the dog toy. It looks like he likes it. I think that this toy is pretty good. So, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this pretty short video, and see you in the next video.